Vertical wardrobe storage solutions for small homes let you store long garments and coats without wasting floor space. Start by choosing a sliding vertical wardrobe with hanging rails set at different heights to maximize vertical space. Place a higher rail for long coats and a lower rail for shirts to prevent wrinkling. Add a pull-out vertical suitcase storage unit that slides out on full extension runners so you can access folded items or seasonal clothing without bending or digging. Incorporate vertical accessory drawers with compartments for scarves, gloves, and folded knitwear. Use shallow drawers for visibility and felt liners to protect delicate fabrics. Install integrated tie and belt hangers on the inside of the door or on a narrow, retractable arm so accessories stay organized and do not require extra depth. Fit built-in shoe slots at the base with alternating angled shelves so shoes stack vertically while remaining easy to see and remove. Finally, plan for ventilation by leaving a small gap or installing perforated panels to prevent mustiness when garments are stored tightly. People often overload a single rail, leading to creasing and difficulty finding items, spread garments across multiple rails, or rotate seasonal pieces into a pull-out suitcase module to keep weight balanced. Another common issue is poor access in deep, narrow spaces where items get pushed to the back. Use full extension runners and shallow removable baskets so everything slides out and stays visible. A third frequent concern is wasted vertical gaps between components, which reduces capacity. Use adjustable rails and modular inserts so you can change spacing as your wardrobe changes. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find trusted local contractors and discover practical ideas for installing vertical wardrobe systems that fit narrow footprints. We also help contractors find work and connect with clients, and we host a discussion community where members share tips, ask questions, and post photos of real installations.